This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, LP detector, refrigerator, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE is 5,338 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.